Hey guys, what's up? It's Giuseppe. I'm here again. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit about how to create a sitemap on your WordPress website and what it means, how to install it. From there, we're just going to kind of roll forward. I'll give you some pro tips and we'll be out of here just as fast as we arrived. So if that sounds good to you, sounds good to me. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button. If you enjoy my content, please let me know. Questions or stuff you want me to cover, leave a comment down below and I will get to it in a video soon enough. We can hang out and make more money together, right? Because that's the point of this. That's the whole point. This is kind of what I'm working on here. Is the idea is, what do we need to do to make some money here? And let's make it happen. So first of all, what is a sitemap? This is the sitemap that we're going to be creating. It looks a lot more complicated than it is. It's actually quite simple. So what a sitemap is it's pretty much what you'll end up submitting to Google. And it's a map. It's like a street map of your city. It just kind of explains all of the ins and outs and how things are connected and, what pages go where within your site, within your website. So you'll see here's posts. So here's, this is a website that I've been working on for a while. Here's, the blog. Here's all the different pages and you'll see they're structured, right? All the different structures of posts, how all your pages are optimized. This is all here. So I know what you're thinking is like, wow, that's a lot of work. Well, it's actually really easy. We're going to do it in two different ways. I'm going to show you how to do it with Yoast. And I'm going to show you the one that I prefer, which is RankMath. They're both free options. So either way, and if you stay to the end, I will give you some bonus content and show you how to submit it to Search Console. This one that I pulled up, this website, and you'll see it's right down here in the footer. These things go in the footer so that way it's always available to Google or whatever web crawler, no matter what page they're on, right? Like we click into a random post, you go down to the bottom, it's still there, right? You go to a random page, it's there, doesn't matter, it's always there. That way, so when Google sends its web crawlers onto your website, you now get visibility on your sitemap no matter where things are happening. And that means SEO goes up. Clients finding you goes up. Money you make goes up. The money your clients makes goes up. This is all super valuable stuff, okay? Now, you're coming on to, here's the website we're going to do it on. It's another website, and you'll see here, managed by me at Zio Advertising. If you have any questions or concerns, you want some help with this stuff, go to my website or just leave a comment. I'm more than happy to jump on and, give you any guidance that you might want. Powered by, you'll see there's no sitemap anywhere down here, and it's always, good thing to do. So what we're going to do is, I deleted this because we already had it, but we're going to go into your WordPress, which is right here. And then you're going to go down to plugins, which is right here. Then you're going to go up here into add plugins. You're going to come over here to search. If you search before you click on add plugins, you're going to have a bad time. You're going to be searching the plugins you already have. Trust me, I've spent more time than I'm willing to admit going through and adding trying to find plugins while only looking in the areas that I already have plugins. So the first one we're going to do is Yoast, because I know Yoast is super popular. Come over here. Here's Yoast. We're going to install now. I got some funk rolling in the background, guys. That's why I'm jamming. Click the activate button. Here's RankMath down here too. It's waiting for us. I just like it more. Let's do the first time configuration because you're probably going to want to do it too. Start SEO data optimization. Sure. Great. Continue. Select your logo image. Save and continue. Social profiles. We're just going to do Control F, and then we're going to go Site Map. Here we go. So this here takes us down to APIs. This is XML sitemaps. It's right here. We're going to click this button. Here's a sitemap URL at the top. Okay. And we are going to take this and we're going to install it into the footer. Let's go like this. We're going to go and we're going to open visit site. I hold Alt and click and it opens it up as a tab. And then from here, we can't edit yet. So here's the answer is you go back to your page just as it was. And instead of clicking edit page or anything like that, you're going to come over here to customize. And customize is going to have your footer right here. Here's the footer. So there's a couple ways of doing this. You can hunt it down here. You can click this button here. Let's do that. It's going to take us straight to this. And we're going to go just like this. So this is copyright, current year, site title, built and managed by. We're just going to add a section in here. We're going to say sitemap. And that is just the shift and it's a button above enter. And it just makes like the bar. It just looks cool. I just like that as a separator. You can use anything you want. And all we're going to do is we're just going to highlight this. Make sure you come over here, grab the sitemap index, come back to your editing, click this insert edit link button there, and click enter, paste and enter, and there it is. And now publish. Okay. I added a space there. I'm going to get rid of that. So now the sitemap is right in there. It's there. Cool. Let's exit. And if we go down here, you will see sitemap right there. And let's click on it. It takes us here. Now, if you want to do the RankMath sitemap, which I think you should, I'll just do it right now. So we're going to go back into plugins. We're going to find the Yoast. So the thing is these overlap. So you want to get rid of this one. Don't have both running at the same time. It just causes a bunch of problems. You'll get a bunch of warnings and errors. You don't like it. Let's go to add plugin. And now after we've clicked add plugin, we're going to go RankMath or just RankMath. There it says right there. Click install. Wait for this to come out. Click activate. Beautiful. RankMath SEO. We'll click on Setup Wizard. We're going to go easy. Small business site. No alternative name. Logo. Social share image. We'll just do that is great. Now connect your RankMath account. So here you can see plugin activation. You're about to activate RankMath free plan. Yep, sounds great. Okay, it worked out. Cool. Now we need the analytics. Because we've already set up analytics for this, I'm just going to click here and I'm going to click here. Exclude logged in users. AdSense we don't use. Email reports we don't want. Save and continue. That's great. Return to dashboard. Now this is set up and it will automatically add your Google information, right? There's a lot of stuff in here. I would highly suggest just like, make sure these numbers here need to be the same as whatever's on your business, Google My Business profile. Try to make everything like the exact same customer service, phone number, whatever, contact page. Contact page should be contact page. Come on. There you go. About should be, I think it's about. Yeah. We don't have a Google Maps API key. Let's save it. Okay. Now we can go in here and we can get kind of like into the weeds. We'll do that. If you guys like and subscribe and you comment, you want this, I will go ahead and do it for you. It's no problem. Now, here is I've come down here. I've clicked on sitemap settings and you can see it's all here. So let's hold Alt, click that, open this up in another tab. This is the sitemap index. We're going to grab this. Now we're going to open up the visit site. That's okay. Just like before, we're going to come in and customize. We're going to come down here. We're going to click on footer. We're going to click in the place we already edited. This is going to be, and just paste in there again and hit it. It should be the same link. Either way, yeah, it's the same link because you can't click publish. And there you go. Done and dusted. And that's how you add a sitemap to your website. Now for the bonus, there is search.google.com and let's go into Canadian Precision Homes. And now this is the bonus where you can add your sitemap. It's going to be the same as this. Let's do, so we come back here. That's an old one. There you go. You only grab the end here, and then you go into your sitemap settings. You submit that. There you go. It's submitted successfully. That's great. And bonus points. You know how it was acting strange earlier? I'm not a fan of that either. So just to make sure our bases are covered, I'm going to grab this post sitemap. And I'm going to bring that over too. I'm going to log that in too. I think it's going to mess up because the slash is there. We'll find out. Ah, it worked. There you go. Post and site. Discovered one new page. That's great. Is there anything else in here? Post page. I'll do category. Doesn't exist anyways. Yeah, and that's it. So anyways, that's how you add a sitemap. You can do it with Yoast. You can do it with RankMath, and it's all there for you. If you found any value in this, thank you so much. If you watched to the end, you're an absolute legend. Watch my last video there and subscribe to me over there and hang out and make some money with me. Let's have some fun, guys. Anyways, have a great rest of your day. See ya.